Hello, my name is Bill, and today I'll be solving the first question of the 2025 CCC Junior Contest. It is called Roller Coaster Ride. In this question, you're trying to figure out whether or not you'll be on the next roller coaster ride. So here's a Python code. We will first input n, c, and p into the code. If n is smaller than or equal to c times p, then we print yes. If not, we print no. Here is a C++ version of the code. As you can see, the Python code passes the test with no problems. And here, the C++ code also passes without a problem. Thank you for watching.